Hazrat Urwa bin Zubair has reported from Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam would invoke in this way: O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I seek refuge with you against sluggishness, senility, sin, death, trial in the grave, torment in the grave, trial of hell, chastisement in hell, and the trial of affluency. And I seek refuge with you against the trial of poverty, and I seek refuge with you against the testing of Antichrist. O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, wash away my sins with the snow and hell water, and cleanse sins from my heart as you cleanse the impurity from a white cloth. Moreover, keep chasm between me and my sins as much as you have put between the east and the west. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 6600. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 6368.